37 months to 41 months. Gross motor. Sub-skill stands on one leg without holding on to anything for 3 seconds. Child development methods. 1. The parent stands facing the child, holding both of the child's hands. 2. The parent lifts one leg up and asks the child to do it too. Then the parent lets go of the child's hands one by one. 3. Repeat the steps by lifting the other leg. 4. Practice until the child can stand on one leg independently without holding onto anything. Remarks. The parent may sing along for fun while the child is practicing. Fine motor. Sub-skill draws a circle by following a pattern. 2. A pencil and paper. Child development methods. 1. The parent teaches the child how to draw circles. From the starting point, slowly draw a curve and then stop at the starting point. While the parent is drawing, say circle. The parent lifts his or her hand up after finishing the circle and says stop. 2. The parent tells the child to draw circles following this pattern. 3. If the child cannot draw circles, the parent may help by holding the child's hand to draw. 4. When the child starts to draw a circle by himself or herself, the parent gradually reduces assistance until the child can draw a circle independently and stops correctly at the end of the circle. Receptive language. Sub-skill follows instructions to perform 2 actions using 2 objects. 2. 1. A comb. 2. A doll. 3. A toy car. 4. A plastic spoon. Child development methods. 1. The parent practices giving instructions to the child while playing. For example, comb the doll's hair, then give the doll to me, or take the CD away and pick up a book to read together. 2. The parent practices with the child during their normal daily routine by giving instructions with stretched sounds about objects and actions. For example, while taking a bath, put your shirt in the basket and get a towel. While dressing, comb your hair and bring your pants. While eating, take the plate away and bring a cloth to clean the table. 3. If the child can perform only one task, the parent points at the object and repeats the instruction, or helps the child to remember the instruction by saying, "What do you have to do next?" or "What else did I ask you to do?" Practice until the child can perform the task correctly. Alternative materials. Safe household objects for the child to use. Expressive language. Sub-skill. Ask 4 questions using who, what, where, and why. Child development methods. 1. The parent practices asking questions with the child in daily activities, such as pointing at a grandparent and asking, "Who is that?" Pointing at father and asking, "What is daddy doing?" Asking, "Where is daddy?" when he isn't with the child. When the parent needs an explanation, ask, "Why didn't you drink your milk?" 2. The parent practices the question, who, what, where, and why with the child in different situations. Personal and social. Sub-skill follows rules when playing in a group. Child development methods. 1. Have the child join a small group to play easy games such as peekaboo. Establish rules together and encourage the child to play with his or her friends by supervising while they play. 2. If the child is unable to play according to the rules, continue supervising the child until he or she can follow the rules. 3. Practice various games with the child involving winning and losing, for example, running race. Personal and social. Sub-skill helps to do a one-step chore. Child development methods invite the child to do housework together. For example, putting toys or clothes away, washing the dishes, sweeping the floor, picking up things. Give every opportunity to the child to practice doing simple housework.